welcome to today's video. It is late, like it's 12. Oh, it's not late, it's 12 in the morning basically, and I decided I wanted to make this video. I was planning on doing it and I thought, why not do it right now? I have literally nothing else to do, you know. So I set up my lights. It's late at night and we're gonna make some hair scarves. I have been loving hair scarves lately. It's my new favorite thing. So I have a bunch of old clothes that I like just don't wear. I'm just gonna donate or throw away. I decided, why not create like cute hair scarves? So here's like a top I used to wear all the time. Look at all this tie-dye. I actually bleached this one. That's really cool. You should watch that video. I'll link it right here if you want to watch it. It's like bleaching my t-shirts. It's so cool. I have this one and this top. I really like the patterns on this, so I thought it'd look like a cool headpiece. So I have my sewing machine right over here. I'm gonna sew it. It's really easy. It's literally like, you don't even have to be an expert to even sew. Like it's kind of self-explanatory. I mean, honestly, if I'm being honest, you don't even have to sew in general. You just literally have to cut a square. But I really like this fine detail, so to make it nice and, you know, professional. So let's start this video off. Welcome to this video. If you guys like it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here. Let's make some cute hair scarves because I'm so down for that. Wow, look how strong I am. Wait, I actually didn't think I could do that. Wow. Okay, well, we have a big cloth now, so I'm gonna take my chalk and basically draw out a huge square. Honestly, the bigger the square, it's better, because the first one I made, it was kind of small, but it's like the perfect size, so I might just replicate it. So yeah. Ooh, okay, then take my other cloth, but it doesn't really matter. You can honestly estimate it. It doesn't have to be really big. This is kind of big for my head. I just have white chalk everywhere, and now we're just gonna cut it out. Finally! Okay, we'll put that to the side. Now we have the big square, and oh my god, it's gonna come together so well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start pinning. So I'm gonna, because if you see how this is cut, it's literally like the ugliest cut ever, right? We don't want that. We don't want to look like that, no. So what I'm gonna do is start pinning like a little bit so I can make a clean finish, if that makes sense. So when I'm sewing, it's easier for me, so it's not like everywhere, if that makes sense. Now look at that clean finish. You can't see that, but it's there, guys. It's there. Well, I already messed up, so it's fine. It's literally like a cut piece of cloth. I'm just stitching it because to make it look nice, I guess. But how you basically do it is you take your cloth now, make it into a triangle, and you fold from here, the long side, once. Wait, I'm gonna take some pieces out from the front. Take that piece out. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. And I'm gonna put this on my head. Yeah. That's right. I'm just gonna make a little tie up the back. I literally can't see how I look. why do I look like but that's basically how you make like one of those cute like bandanas. And imagine if you had like an actual silk. I don't know if you can cut silk like that, can you though? I don't think so. I don't know, but like those silky ones look so nice, but I just cannot stand silk for my life. Like I can't touch it, it makes me sweat like crazy. But this is crazy. I'm gonna make the other one with the other one, and I bet it's gonna turn out better because I'll have more of a playing field, I guess. Oh my goodness, I'm a fashion designer, what can I say? I'm kidding. Literally so simple. I just stitch it so it looks nice on the end because you can see that like your back, like it looks nice. It's not like cut raggedy. It's not like a raggedy cut because those fabric scissors I have literally don't cut for their life. Bro, I literally made this in 10 minutes. Like, it's all done. Look at me. What? This is crazy, bro. I should just put this stuff on Etsy or something. I don't even know. Okay, I need to see now. I can't believe I look like this. But then again, it's like 1 a.m. So what can I do, you know? But that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here. And if you want me to do more of these kind of like at-home DIYs or like thrift flipping, I guess, but they're not thrifted. I don't know what you would call them, upcycling. I don't know. If you'd like me to do more of them, comment down below and give this video a like. And I'll do some more. Yeah, I hope you guys liked it. These are actually like really cool to make, and they literally spice up your outfit so much. It's kind of crazy. I love the design on this one, and especially the blue one I did. And then my first one is my favorite. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. That's a fact.